we could just chill together right here. Baby girl, it's just you and me. So live, baby, we should make a film together right here. Baby girl, it's just you and me. So girl, you can do your thing. Go girl, it's all new to me. It's your world, just follow me. Proceed.
Okay, no time to waste now. You can party hard and just hang out. So go girl, the world is your playground. And every time you do your thing, you make me say wow. I'm like, how did you fit in that? Shawty got an incredible body, now picture that. Shawty gotta be edible for me to eat a cat. Sipping on this Bacardi, I know she gon' give me that. So live, I hit it from both sides. So wild, we did it like 4 times. My God, she thicker than 4 thighs. If this is a show, girl, I know that it's showtime. 1 time for my ladies in the skinny jeans, 2 times for my women who be getting cream. On the count of 3, we can celebrate, baby. Uno, dos, tres.
So fine, baby, we could just chill together right here. Baby girl, it's just you and me. So live, baby, we should make a film together right here. Baby girl, it's just you and me. So girl, you can do your thing. Go girl, it's all new to me. It's your world, just follow me. Proceed.
Oh baby, proceed and just take notes. And let me take you any place you wanna go. And let this gentleman open up every single door. I can't stand to see you single, I would never let you go. My showgirl, his showgirl, her showgirl rocks my world. Wow, I don't really know what else to say, but this girl right here's gon' stay with me. Showgirl all night long, we taking pics on camera out her thong. I promise this is right, there is no wrong. And once I get in, it's all night long. Slow stroking in the center, and we gon' make love all year to the winter. And I'ma turn a Christian girl straight into a sinner. She accepts defeat because I'm the only winner. Yeah.
So fine, baby, we could just chill together right here. Baby girl, it's just you and me. So live, baby, we should make a film together right here. Baby girl, it's just you and me. So girl, you can do your thing. Go girl, it's all new to me. It's your world, just follow me. Proceed.
I'm looking for a showgirl, a little all-star pro girl. Proceed to be pleased, and this is what we gon' do. You know that I really want you. Fresh fruits and whipped cream, I rub it all on you, and then I lick it off slowly and have your hormones raging. But you're so fine, shawty, we can just chill. But if you wanna spice it up a bit, then we can make a film. Maybe later I could put it to your ribs. Speaking of ribs, you could get in the kitchen and make a meal. Cause my showgirl gotta be complete, gotta be unique, gotta hold her own in the streets. And my showgirl gotta be sweet, but when we get back to the crib, she'll freak in the sheets. And my God, you should see her on the screen, but I forgot she only do it for me.
So fine, baby, we could just chill together right here. Baby girl, it's